What up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be showing off some changes that I've made, and we're going to be making a few more changes. So as a comparison, this is what the old chest looks like because we're going to be changing that picture. I enlarged our the new rats that we got. I enlarged them, and they're a little easier to see how good they are. Um, I added in the magic attack. So it shoots, and as you can see, it takes the health away, and then it switches the turn. Um, and then also fixed, so, oh, come on. I also fixed it so when they use the potion, it switches the turn. Um, so a lot of good stuff going along, making lots of progress. I also switched up our vendor image. So now he is not just the same as one of my NPCs, he's actually a unique sprite. And now it's him telling you to enter the shop by hitting enter. And then I added to tell you how to leave the shop as well. So buy the potions and leave the shop. Our fly is moving around, and now over here, this tree, like it'll let you heal. So if you hit H, it brings everything back to full health. So it's like a little heal spot next to our save. And then, it tells you to save the game. And when you press S, it does save the game. So now you kind of got an indication for now that we saved the game. And then here is another one of our rats moving around in here. So things are definitely starting to look much, much better as we go along. Um, Thank you again for making these sprites. So let's go ahead and jump in to the code, and let's get adding in our new sprite for the chest, and then we'll maybe make another chest and go from there. So let's go under levels, and then the chest class, and then under here when we got load image, we will go ahead and put, instead of chest, we need to put what I name good chest. So whoops. So we need to go ahead and do good chest, both of them. And then we don't need this color key anymore. And then we might have to go ahead and make a self dot d is equal to a string, just as no, we'll just have to make it a d, and then we'll put it before the lock, and we will make this a string. Oops. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now when we enter this in, we're going actually to say gold chest first, and self dot d is equal to gold chest, and then we're just gonna make this like that. Okay, so what I'm doing is I know that first chest that we have adds in gold, so we're gonna make the chest that has like gold in it as our first chest. We put that right after height, so we're gonna go ahead and put, um, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 Gold chest. Oh, no, 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 no. Whoops. So we need to go ahead and take all of this and we need to move it here. There we go. Okay, so that should be good enough to load that new chest in. Let's go ahead and go look at it really fast. And there we go. That looks so much better. As you see, now we're at 2, and then we get 250. So now we know when we see those chests that it's going to give us some gold. That is looking very, very nice. So now the second chest I want to create, oops, under levels, is the potion one. So uh, self that collected. This is, I think, where we'll go ahead and if self.d is equal to gold chest. This is just going to help us keep this same collision and everything without having to, kind of like our load image, without having to make a whole new collision class. We can just throw some extra parameters in here. Um, just for right now, we'll probably have to change that up a little bit. Potions dot add health, add underscore health. This is just my potions class that I've created in here, and then the add health is just going to add one potion to our health inventory. So let's go ahead and create another class, like this. Okay, so this one will be potion chests, so that way it knows. And then we also want to go elif self.image is none and our self.d is equal to potion chest. Let's make sure we have everything matching up. And then we're going to say self.image. We are basically going to copy and paste this. We are just going to simply change the name of our PNG file to good chest. Okay. There we go. And now we just have to maybe we'll just go ahead and try to leave the coordinates the same. Uh we will just go ahead and let's see. I think we just got to draw it, right? Or do we got to put the collision in? Okay. But anyways, let's go ahead and put this in the room with our vendor. And we are going to change that up because I want the fly to go ahead and be guarding it. So the width is probably okay, but the height, we're going to want to actually put it towards the bottom instead. Uh, let's just push this out a little bit. Okay, there we go. So now we got our coordinates. We want to put this in the same room as our vendor. So I'm pretty sure it's right here with the fly shop guy. Okay. Let's go look in 9. I did need to do the collision as well. Anyways, room 3, yes. So we're gonna go ahead and go PM. No, I think this is here in this one. So we got chest 2 dot draw, and then we're gonna just put that on the screen. Okay, and then we're gonna go chest two dot collision, and then whoops, did I spell it wrong? I'm always spelling this wrong. Chest collision, and then we just need PM dot. Oh no, I think we can just. Everybody else is just doing PM dot Josh, just to make sure. um, let's go draw rooms, update map, and I'm pretty sure the update map. So I could have just put player. Anyways, let's go ahead and see if it's there and if we can collect it and get our potion. Uh, so 200. Oh no, here we go. Inventory. We got 2 potions right now. It's there. It is at the very bottom of the screen. Whatever. And now we got 3 potions, so it is working. That's definitely good. I want to go ahead and make that a little bit bigger though. So maybe we can go into load image. Nope, under chests. Under chest and load image. And then we can go ahead and go self.image is equal to transform.scale 2x. We're just gonna say 2x and then self.image, and that should be all we need to do. Let's go look at it again. Oh, it's bigger. It's just we have to move it up a little bit. We got to go under levels, chest 2, so the height. Let's just go ahead and put at 75. Let's now go ahead and see what that looks like. And we'll probably just leave it because I want to do that looks pretty good. So we can collect it. Oh no. See, the fly's doing a very good job of protecting it. Okay, so there we go. Maybe we should go ahead and do that with the other one too then. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that so they're a little bit, yeah. So under levels, we got chest, load image, and we will also just go ahead and go like this and this. Okay, now let's check that out. And then we are going to create another monster, the Mimic. And maybe we'll go ahead and just throw him in the starting room. Uh, that looks much better. So now we can go up and be like, yay, gold. And all right, we got gold. We got one for our ocean. So now we're starting to get chests and everything. Um, so let's go ahead and add our mimic class, and I will show you how simple and easy this is now to add a monster class. So now we just have to go class mimic. This is going to inherit from monsters, and we need a pygame sprite sprite, and then we will go. We have to first initiate everything. I wonder if we could put this first init method in there. I don't know. Let's just grab one from the monster, because that's pretty much all the same. Come back down here to our mimic. So we're gonna do define underscore underscore init underscore underscore, and then we'll copy and paste from there. Get rid of this, and then we will go monster underscore init underscore underscore, and then we just do the same self name class race level hit underscore points strength dexterity constitution, so constitution. Yeah, I think it's just because it's missing arguments. Let's just get all the arguments in, and then we will see if it is intelligence, wisdom, charisma. We can do mana, and then exp underscore points. And these ones will be down here. X, Y, W, H, and then bits. All right. All right, there we go. So now we got our monster class initiated. Maybe we can fit this into lines. So we will do after wisdom. All right. And maybe we'll go like this. Oops, wrong button. Enter. And then this can come back up. Whoops. Okay, so there. Oh no. Anyways, there we go. So now that is initiated, we don't got to worry about typing all that in anymore. Now we also got to do the Pygame sprite dot sprite, and we also go init, and then we just got to do self. We forgot 2 underscores. Double. Oh. And then we initiate the self. That's everything we need for that. We don't need to have it move or anything. So we just need to make it a turn, and we have to call it turn. And then we have to have self, obviously. And then player 2. And then we're just going to simply say if self.hit underscore points is greater than or equal to 1, and self.key. You know what? We could actually just throw this in the parent class as well. Equals 1. I'm probably going to do that, not on the video, because I got to take it back out of all my monster attacks now. And then we just go Josh. Oh, and we just go player, and then player 2. Okay, so that is all I need for the turn. And then I just need to go mimic 1 is equal to the class mimic, and then its name will be mimic 1. What did we put that load image as for our mimic. I don't know if we've even done that yet. Um, so we have not. So we also need to go ahead and put elif self.image is none and self.race is equal to mimic. We will go ahead and load our image. Bad guys. And then I'm pretty sure that's it right there. So now under our bad guys, yep, mimic, PNG, all right. But it is the same as our other chest, so we're gonna go ahead and go self.image is equal to pygame.transform. We're just gonna scale it though, like we usually do. Okay, so now we have a way to load it. Let's go back and finish. So our name will be mimic1. Where are we at? Oh man, the class. This is going to be monster. So the class is monster, and then the race has to be mimic, and then the level. Let's make him level 3. The hit points he'll have. I'm gonna make them want to run from this monster right away. So he's gonna have 250. His strength will be at 15. His dexterity will be at 14. His constitution will be at 5. Intelligence, he's just a monster mimic, so it'll be 3. Wisdom will be 3. He'll have just 1 charisma, but he'll have, we'll say, 40 mana. Um, and then if we beat him, we'll get 400 experience points. And then the X and the Y, we kind of want him at the top corner. So our width, and then times 0.8. And then our height, whoops, 0.8. That would have been like not even showing up on the screen. And then we need to put him on the screen pretty close to the top. So we'll say 0.1. And then what else does it need? The width. We're going to do 64 by 64. And then when we beat him, he'll give us 300 bits. Okay, so a lot of information that goes in there, but a lot of it is going to be used. So now with all of this information, all is first we have to go to our level in our starting room and we have to draw him on the screen. So we want to go starting room and then we want to go pm.mimic 1.draw, and then we just need screen player battle and then game. Can I? Yes. I think this should just be GF. Yeah, GF.battle. Is that? Yep, that's exactly how I did it with the other one. That should be fine. I know that if not, I guess whatever. So now under Deluxe Adventure, we got to go ahead and just go if pm.mimic 1 dot d is equal to 1, and then we're just going to go gf battling monster, and then pm dot mimic 1. Okay, this will be the last thing we do in this video. This one's kind of long, but anyways, we're just making lots of improvements. Oh, that's perfect. It looks like he spit the thing out. So there's our mimic. And then he is. So let's see how much damage we do. Um, but in the next video, we are going to be taking our monsters and adjusting their attack power. But that's how easy it is to make a battle now. All I have to do is plug it in like that, and we have everything is the same and it works. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.